Hello everyone to our fourth session in Python training. Today we will continue with the operators. Let us begin in a minute. Okay, so let's start with our today's session, which is on our operators in Python. So let us first recap of what all we have done till now. Variables, then data types, then we did strings, indexing and slicing. After that we did all of these functions with string. We proved the immutability of the string, how we can comment, concatenation and many more things. Yesterday we did this minus, remainder which we call as modulus, then quotient and then multiplication. We also saw floor division. Today we will see one of the first operator, which is relational. Let's start with the relational operator. Okay, so over here in the relational operator, now we are going to, I'll make a new one. Guys, every day I'm following this process just to show that how I am doing. People are messaging me saying that I don't get the screen directly which you get, so I am repeating the procedures again. Session 4. So today the first operator we are going to see is relational operator. So what all consist in relational operators? It consists, first let me do multi-line comment. It consists of less than, greater than, then less than equal to, greater than equal to, then we are also going to see not equal to, and one more which is equal to. These we are going to see. So the first one in today's class which we are seeing is, okay, it gave me an output because it's in the quotes. Okay, so first one we are going to see today is this. We call this as greater than. In your earlier primary grades you might have learned this as crocodile mouth. If you are able to recall, crocodile mouth means this looks like a crocodile's mouth, gets opened from one side and closed at another side. So the number which is at this side is big, should be bigger. It is told to be bigger than this number at this side, this number. So if I take let me say 1 and put 2 over here, it will print true because 1 is smaller than 2, or we can also read it as 2 is greater than 1. This is the two ways we can read. But now if we say 2 is this again, what I simply mean over here is the part where it goes inside, like it becomes a point, that shows that that side is smaller, and this part where 1 is written, where it is big, shows that it is greater. So we need to maintain these both. We just saw two examples. Then there is another one in this type only. I'll put just an example over here. One is we have another one in this type only, which is this. This also has the same meaning. Okay, this side it has smaller number, and the other side, which is this one, has a greater number. This is what it means. So I'll just give another example. Let's take the same one. We'll just say 2 is greater than 1. Done. This was it, nothing. Let's see what all we get. We get both cases. We will only get one case. Let's put print over here. Sorry, my bad. The caps lock is on. It's printing true, means this case is true. This was the example of this. This side will be the greater number, this side will be small number. Next operator is this one. Both have the same. I'll show you what it means. So what this side means is, okay, it is less than and equal to both. So we can say that 2 is less than or equal to 3. What does this mean? That 2 can be less or 2 can be equal to 3. This will give us true. Now I can say 3 is less than equal to 3, yes. But why we are using this different operator instead of this? So when we print this, it will give us false. 3 is less than 3, no, but we want it to be equal to. So we use 3 stand the concepts. Then another one the same type is this. Same meaning, no difference. I can put 3 over here, 2 over here, greater than or equal to 2. Now you would think, what is the difference? Why 2? We will see the difference in the future. What difference we get in here? Okay, there is a big difference over here. It can be greater than or equal to. This can be greater than. That has a total difference, and if we put these conditions in loop, it can go into an infinite loop as well. We'll see how all that works. Till here, is it clear? Okay, then I'm moving ahead. Now over to the next step, which is the next one, which is not equal to this. It means not equal to. Now in simpler words, it is just saying not. This is a bitwise operator, another type of operator which we are learning right now. So when we combine bitwise and relational, this is one which comes not equal to. So we can say 2 is not equal to 3. It should print correct. Wait, it will give an error. I need to put this. Yeah, see, it will give true. But if I give 3, it will give me false, because 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so the next one which we have is the is equal to. Now you would say, what is the difference in this and this? The difference is that this is used for initialization. What we do, a is equal to 3, or all that, b is equal to 3. This all is initialization. This is condition checking. We are checking a condition in this. So we can say 3 equal to 3, and let's see what we get. We get false. 2 is not equal to 3, but if we give 3 is equal to 3, it will give us 2. I'll comment this out. You might get confused with this. See, it gives us true for this particular equation. This was the relational operators. We'll end today's class over here. These classes are short because in our Discord group I am giving questions based on these exercises. Thank you for being here on this platform. Please stay connected on Discord.